Facing a critical Windows failure due to the Plugscheduler module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's implement the official repair path today. Before we start the Plugscheduler module configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the Plugscheduler module, frequently associated with third-party browser extension managers or localized utility dashboards. It manages the localized scheduling of background updates for software plugins. Because it initiates automated network threads, it is a high-risk file for antivirus heuristics. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. The Plugscheduler module DLL library is a specialized asset belonging to the localized task scheduling logic environment, and you must reinstall the host program that is displaying the error to ensure all internal dependencies are properly synchronized. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Plugscheduler module file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Please use caution. Replacing Plugscheduler module DLL manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. Review guidance on library management and system stability by accessing the repair-related resource linked below for Plugscheduler module. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Plugscheduler module dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.